I'm making flaxseed gel. It's going to be a conditioner. So this is the texture that it is. No, look, check this out. I know it looks super gross, but they look like this. Regular flax seeds. And it's really good conditioner. So it's pretty much cooked, done. Now I'm going to just strain it. And we'll be ready to go. It's like egg yolk. So there's so many things you can use flaxseed gel for. You use flaxseed gel as a hair conditioner, but you could also use flaxseed gel. It is a good replacement for egg, and you can put it in anything. It's the texture. The texture is like white, the egg white of an egg. How to strain the flax seeds. So it's pretty hot still, and I like to use this one instead of an actual strainer because the holes are smaller. So we're just going to do a little bit at a time. And we just look at how beautiful it is. So a bit more. Up. So you just strain it. And that must be all. Okay, check this out. This is what the snotty stuff looks like. Ugh. So it's really like egg yolk. It's really yolky. So, okay, so now that the hard part is over, the next step is to add the smelly goods. And I put in some coconut oil. That's just a given. That'll be a carrier oil. And I put some orange, sweet orange, essential oil in there. Now, essential oil can be tricky if you want to put that in your hair. If you don't want to put it on your skin, they say don't put it on sensitive skin, but I literally use it as perfume, and I put it directly on my skin, and I've never broken out or gotten a rash. So I don't see why I can't put it in my hair as well. Just a little bit of just a tiny bit for fragrance. I put some aloe vera. This stuff works great in my hair, and I actually made this. I cut one of my aloe vera leaves, and I was able to harvest this much because that bottle was pretty much empty. So looky here, this is all my stuff. Now this is perfect, and it's a weird looking color. I know it doesn't look very tasty, appetizing. It doesn't smell bad. There you have it. That is the flaxseed gel. So I'm gonna use that as conditioner, and I'll come back and let you guys know how that went. So as I said before, flaxseed you can use for a lot of things, and it doesn't really have a scent, so you don't have to worry about putting it in your hair, putting it on your skin. If you want to add essential oils, do so like I did. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's a good replacement for conditioner, a good replacement for gel. It hardens when it dries, so that's why you can use it as a nice gel. I use it for my hair and my skin, and I would use it as an egg replacement in cake. If you don't want to use eggs, or if you don't have eggs, about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in water, mix it up, put it over the stove or in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let it come to a boil, and then once it's that snotty texture, as soon as it's that snotty texture, it's finished. And there you go. You have a replacement of egg in your muffins, cakes, whatever. You can use it batter. If you say you're frying fish, you dip the fish first in the flaxseed gel and then put the batter on it. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. One more thing before I go. not only is flaxseed amazing to, you know, substitute eggs, all the stuff that I just named, it also can be used as a hair removal. And I just figured this out because a second ago some got on my leg. I didn't realize it dried up like Elmer's glue, I guess, and then as you peel it off, it's literally ripping your hair out. So just discovered that right now. If you guys still want to try flaxseed, literally it's at the 99-cent store. You can get a big old bag of it. Well, interesting fun fact about flax seeds.